Have you ever wondered if the very room you trust most at night might actually be harming you? For many of us, the bedroom feels like a sanctuary, a place to finally rest after the day's troubles. Yet, for older adults, the space meant for healing and renewal can quietly become a source of harm. The truth is, as the years pass, our bodies grow more sensitive. Sleep no longer comes as easily. Our immune systems work harder, and even the air we breathe carries greater weight on our health. Think about it. You spend nearly a third of your life in that room. That adds up to thousands of hours each year spent with your body pressed against fabrics, breathing in air, and relying on the space to restore you. And yet, tucked inside your bedroom are things you've probably overlooked for years. So today, we are uncovering 5 surprising things in your bedroom that may be silently damaging your health each and every night. Stay with me until the end, because the last item is something nearly every senior uses without thinking. Yet, it could be robbing you of years of good health. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn your bedroom back into the safe, restorative place it was always meant to be. Because at this stage in life, rest isn't just a luxury. It is the foundation of your independence, your clarity, and your strength for the days ahead. Number 1. Old pillows, the silent enemy you sleep with every night. Think about the pillow you rest your head on each evening. How long have you had it? For many people, it has been years. A pillow feels familiar, soft, almost like an old friend. You fluff it, adjust it, and trust it to cradle you through the night. But here's the unsettling truth. If that pillow is more than 2 years old, it is no longer your friend. It is likely harboring dust mites, bacteria, sweat, and even mold. And every night, you are pressing your face directly against it, breathing in particles that quietly undermine your health. The problem is easy to dismiss because the damage builds slowly. You might wake up congested, with a scratchy throat, or already tired after a full night of rest. You may think it is simply allergies, the season, or the natural process of aging. Yet, science shows that old pillows are breeding grounds for allergens. Dust mites thrive on the skin cells we shed at night. Their waste triggers sneezing, watery eyes, sinus pressure, and that foggy-headed feeling that lingers all morning. It is not your imagination. It is your pillow, and the effects reach beyond your sinuses. As we age, our skin becomes thinner and more prone to irritation. Yet, each night, your pillow absorbs oil, sweat, and residue from hair products or lotions. Over time, that surface becomes a dirty cushion pressed against your face for hours. Redness, unexplained irritation, or even breakouts may not be your skincare failing you. It may be your pillow quietly turning against you. The most troubling part comes with moisture. In humid climates, or for those who sweat at night, mold can grow inside pillows. You won't see it, and you may not smell it, but night after night, you breathe in spores linked to fatigue, brain fog, and even respiratory illness. That means your pillow, something meant to provide comfort, can instead become a hidden hazard. The good news? This problem is one of the easiest to fix. If your pillow is more than 2 years old, replace it. Choose hypoallergenic options made from memory foam, latex, or a high-quality down alternative. These materials resist dust, mites, and bacteria better than traditional fillers. And don't stop there. Use a pillow protector. Not just a pillowcase, but a zippered cover that blocks allergens and moisture from getting in. Wash both the protector and the pillowcase in hot water weekly. Think of it this way. You spend more than 2,500 hours each year with your head resting on a pillow. If you wake up more exhausted than when you lay down, the problem may not be your age. It may be right under your nose, literally. Replace that old pillow, and you might find yourself breathing easier, sleeping deeper, and waking up with more clarity than you've had in years. Number 2. Clutter under the bed. The hidden health trap you never think about. Take a moment and picture what's under your bed right now. For many, it's boxes of old clothes, stacks of magazines, or items we tucked away years ago and forgot. It seems harmless, out of sight, out of mind. The space feels neat, the room looks tidy, and the clutter is hidden. But here's what few people realize. What hides under the bed can quietly work against your health every single night. The space beneath your bed is dark, still, and often ignored. That makes it the perfect breeding ground for dust, mold, and bacteria. Each night, as your body relaxes and your breathing deepens, You draw air up from that space. Dust mites, stale air, and particles trapped under your bed rise as you breathe in hour after hour. If you wake up with a runny nose, congestion, or a dry throat, it may not be pollen outside. It may be what is right beneath you. The issue goes beyond just sneezing. The waste dust mites leave behind is a powerful trigger for allergies and asthma. Even those who never struggled with breathing issues in youth often find themselves more sensitive after 60. And it's not only your lungs that suffer. The clutter itself weighs on your mind. Even when you are asleep, your subconscious notices crowded, messy spaces. That hidden disorder can create a sense of unease, preventing you from reaching deep, restorative rest. Think about how you feel walking into a cluttered room, tense, restless, distracted. That same effect can happen while you sleep, keeping your mind from fully settling. There's also the matter of airflow. A bedroom needs circulation to keep air fresh. But when the space under your bed is packed with storage bins or boxes, air stagnates. Instead of breathing crisp, clean air, you breathe musty, recycled air all night. As we age, our bodies are more sensitive to air quality. Poor airflow can leave you waking up groggy, foggy, and more drained than before. The solution is both simple and powerful. Take a good look under your bed. If the space is filled, clear it out. Donate what you no longer need. Throw away what no longer serves you. Vacuum and clean thoroughly to remove dust and debris. If you must use the space for storage, keep it minimal and use sealed, airtight containers instead of open boxes or bags that collect dust. Ideally, the area under your bed should remain open, clean, and clear. Try this experiment. After clearing and cleaning under your bed, sleep in your room with a window cracked open for fresh air. Notice how you feel the next morning. Many people report waking up lighter, clearer, and more refreshed, often for the first time in weeks. That simple act of clearing clutter not only cleans your air, it calms your mind. Your bedroom should be your sanctuary, not a storage closet. By clearing what's hidden beneath you, you create a space that works with your body's need for rest, not against it. Sometimes, better sleep doesn't come from a new mattress or medication. It comes from creating space for your body and mind to truly relax. Number 3, scented candles and air fresheners. Smells good, but could be making you sick. Many people love the idea of a bedroom that smells fresh, like lavender, vanilla, or clean linen. Walking into that comforting fragrance at the end of the day feels inviting, even soothing. But here's the hidden truth. Those scents may be doing more harm than good, especially if you're breathing them in every single night. Most plug-in fresheners, sprays, and many candles release chemicals called volatile organic compounds. The name sounds harmless, but these compounds irritate the lungs, inflame the sinuses, and in some cases, disrupt hormone balance over time. That means the cozy smell you enjoy could actually be contributing to morning headaches, scratchy throats, and unexplained fatigue. And for seniors already dealing with asthma, allergies, or weakened immunity, the effects can be even harsher. The problem doesn't stop when the fragrance fades. These chemicals linger, settling into your pillows, carpets, and blankets. Night after night, they seep back into the air. Even if you stop noticing the smell, your body keeps absorbing it. As we age, recovery from toxins slows, so constant low-level exposure adds up. What might feel like grogginess from age could, in reality, be your environment working against you. This doesn't mean your room has to smell stale. There are healthier ways to create a soothing atmosphere. Instead of chemical-based products, choose natural alternatives. Essential oil diffusers with lavender or eucalyptus not only smell wonderful, but also encourage calm and relaxation. If you enjoy candles, switch to beeswax or soy candles, scented naturally with essential oils. These burn cleaner and safer without filling your air with synthetic residue. Even more powerful than scents are living plants. Aloe vera, snake plants, or peace lilies are natural air purifiers. They absorb toxins and release fresh oxygen, helping you breathe easier while you sleep. They beautify the room while quietly protecting your health. It's like having a small, silent guardian for your air quality. The takeaway is simple. Clean air is one of the greatest gifts you can give yourself at night. A fresh, natural environment will not only help you sleep deeper, but also wake with a clearer head, brighter energy, and stronger lungs. Your bedroom should refresh you, not poison you. By removing artificial fragrances and welcoming natural freshness, you reclaim your bedroom as a space of healing. Number 4. Heavy dark curtains, blocking more than just light. Many of us have been told that blackout curtains are the secret to a good night's sleep. They shut out every bit of light, create that cozy cave-like feeling, and seem to promise deep rest. But what if I told you those same curtains might be the reason you wake up groggy, sluggish, and low on energy even after a full night's sleep? Your body is designed to rise with the sun. Morning light sends a clear signal to your brain to stop producing melatonin, the hormone that keeps you sleepy, and to start releasing serotonin, which fuels your mood and alertness. When your room stays pitch black while past sunrise, your brain never receives that signal. You stay in sleep mode longer than you should, and that lingering fog follows you into the day. That's why you can sleep 8 or 9 hours and still feel like you barely slept. It isn't only about the light. Thick, heavy curtains can trap stale air in the room. Without proper circulation, your bedroom can turn into a stuffy box where dust and humidity build up. And as we grow older, our bodies become more sensitive to poor air quality. You may wake with a dry throat, congestion, or low energy, all because the air you're breathing is heavy and stale. There's also the matter of mood. Natural light is one of the most powerful natural antidepressants. Exposure to sunlight triggers serotonin, which helps keep us motivated, focused, and emotionally balanced. Spending night after night and morning after morning in a space that shuts out the sun can quietly weigh on your spirit, leaving you feeling more sluggish or even down. The solution doesn't mean throwing out blackout curtains altogether. It's about balance. At night, pull them closed to enjoy darkness and uninterrupted sleep. But when morning comes, open them wide and let the light in. Just 15 to 20 minutes of natural morning light can reset your body's clock, lift your mood, and energize you for the day ahead. If you're ready for an upgrade, light filtering curtains are a smart choice. They protect privacy while allowing a gentle stream of sunlight to ease you awake. Pair that with a cracked window, a small fan, or an air purifier to keep the air fresh, and you'll create a bedroom that supports both your rest and your energy. Your bedroom should be a partner in your health, not a weight that drags you down. By letting the morning light reach you and keeping the air clean, you invite your body to work with its natural rhythms. The result is brighter mornings, steadier energy, and a calmer mind. Number 5. Phones in the bedroom, silently sabotaging your sleep. Almost everyone today brings their phone to bed. It feels harmless to check a quick article, scroll through a few photos, or glance at the news before sleep. But the truth is that glowing little screen may be quietly robbing you of the deep rest your body depends on. And for seniors, the effects can be especially harmful. Here's why. The blue light from phone screens tricks your brain into believing it's still daytime. When that happens, your body stops producing melatonin, the very hormone that helps you relax and drift naturally into sleep. That's why you might feel wide awake even though you were tired just minutes before. But the harm doesn't stop when you finally put the phone down. Your brain stays on alert when the phone is nearby. Even if you don't consciously hear every buzz or ping, those notifications and flashes can pull you out of deep sleep stages. You may think you slept 8 hours, but if you wake feeling groggy, restless, or foggy, your phone might be to blame. And deep sleep is no small matter. It's during that time that your body heals itself, your brain clears out toxins, and your memory is strengthened. Take Robert, a 76-year-old retired teacher. He used to read books before bed, but over the years, his phone replaced that routine. He would scroll for an hour, then sleep with the phone buzzing on his nightstand. Soon, he was waking up exhausted, with headaches and poor focus. His doctor eventually explained that late-night screen use was disrupting his natural sleep cycle and raising his risk of cardiovascular problems. Once Robert put his phone across the room and went back to reading in the evenings, his mornings began to feel brighter and his energy returned. There's another hidden cost many overlook: stress. The constant stream of news, social media, and unanswered emails keeps the mind racing long after you've put the phone down. Instead of allowing your brain to wind down peacefully, the phone stirs up thoughts and worries that carry into the night. For older adults who may already face challenges with restlessness or anxiety, this can magnify sleep problems. What's the solution? Keep your phone away from your bed. Place it on a dresser across the room, or better yet, charge it in another room entirely. If you rely on it as an alarm, consider a simple alarm clock that doesn't interfere with your body's rhythms. And if you must keep the phone nearby, switch it to airplane mode and place it face down to prevent light from disturbing your rest. Replacing the bedtime scroll with a healthier routine can make a world of difference. Try reading a calming book, listening to soft music, or practicing gentle breathing exercises before sleep. Within a week, you may notice deeper rest, clearer mornings, and steadier energy throughout the day. Sleep is the body's greatest healer, and protecting it is one of the simplest but most powerful things you can do for your health. Don't let a small screen steal that gift from you. By making this one change, you give yourself the chance to rest fully, think clearly, and wake with strength for the day ahead. Final thoughts. Your bedroom should be a place of healing, not harm. At the end of the day, your bedroom isn't just where you sleep. It's where your body restores itself, where your mind lets go of the day, and where you prepare for tomorrow. It ought to be a sanctuary, a safe and peaceful space that works with your body, not against it. Yet, as we've seen, small overlooked details can quietly erode your health night after night. The good news is, you don't need to overhaul everything at once. Small, thoughtful changes can transform your nights, and in turn, your days. Start by replacing that old pillow that no longer supports you and may be harboring allergens. Clear out the clutter beneath your bed so fresh air and peaceful energy can flow through your space. Trade chemical scents for natural, clean air that truly refreshes your lungs. Let morning light into your room so your body can wake in rhythm with nature. And finally, move that phone away from your bedside so your mind can fully rest without interruption. Each of these adjustments may feel simple, but together they can create a profound difference in how you sleep, how you wake, and how you carry yourself through the day. For older adults especially, rest is more than comfort, it's medicine. Quality sleep strengthens your heart, supports your brain, and renews your spirit. I want to leave you with this reminder. You deserve to feel rested, clear, and ready for life each morning. Protecting your bedroom environment is one of the most powerful ways to honor that need. Tonight, take just one step. Toss out a worn pillow, open the curtains, or leave your phone in another room. Tomorrow, notice how your body thanks you. And in the weeks to come, enjoy how these small steps build into lasting strength, clarity, and peace. Thank you for joining us today. We'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and share one thing you learned today and how you plan to use it in your life. Your thoughts are important to us, so don't hesitate to share them. Reading your comments gives us great motivation and encouragement. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Your support helps us continue creating good content to inform and inspire you. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.